There I am again. I'm fed up with riding camels. Now I'm going open there. Open my plane I soar, 20 feet or more. I'm a flyer, no, not a liar, a flyer. They take my flying biscuit for a dog. When I fly in the sky, they all cry as I pass by. Airman, airman, don't put the wind up me. When I fly round the town, knocking people's aerials down. Airman, airman, don't put the wind up me. They all look up and say, is it a fairy, a cock-a-doodle-doo, or a canary? When I fly, they all shout, someone's let Lily out. Airman, airman, don't put the wind up me. When I fly in the sky, they all shout as I go by. Airman, airman, don't put the wind up me. There he goes. Duck your head, run and hide beneath the bed. Airman, airman, don't put the wind up me. They all look up and say, is it a motor, a flying fish, a codfish, or a bloater? When I fly, they all cry, jump and kiss yourself goodbye. Airman, airman, don't put the wind up me.